Now, after we finish the electrical project, I want to start the mechanical project or the HVAC project. So first we have to go here to new. Then this is the template. I go to browse. Then I can find from here, there is a Revit templates. So from this templates, you can find there is US and Imperial and metric. I will go to US metric. Then I want to choose this one, mechanical default metric plan. Then project, then I view this one. This one I need to create a new project, not a new project template. So I press from here, okay. Now wait to open this project. If as you see, if you have a good setup to your project, then you can have a good project to start to build on your HVAC work, as we learn in electrical. Now everything we learn it, we should learn it by heart and remember all the steps. So first step, I have to go here to insert, then Revit link. I find here there is a desktop. Then I go to exercise file, the background, which is the project that I received from the architectural engineer. Then I click here, open. Now the architectural project should be linked to my project. Now, if you see that I can select this architectural link, I can select it like this. It's the architectural link. But here, this one, the pin, I need first to pin this project. After I pin this project, let's see, we can select it. Why we can select it? Because this here, select pinned element is turned off. I turn it on like this. Now I can select my architectural project. But now I don't want to be selected because I don't need it. So now this is my layout or scratch sheet. Now if this architectural project is ready, now I need to link this one, the structural. I need the structural because there is some drop beam and structural members that may be affected on my work and the location of my HVAC units or duct. Where is the duct running? So I need to know, I don't need any clashes, so I have to download the structural project. So this is my structural project. I have to select it, then I have this one, pin, then I can select the structure. Now both are pinned. For now, let us zoom in to see here. You have here some floor tiles. As we remember the VG, Visibility Graphics shortcut VG like this. We go directly to Visibility Graphics. Then we go down to find the floors. From floors, we go here to pattern. Then I will turn both this off, invisible. We turn it off like this. Now I don't see the floor tiles like this. So now this is my project is ready. But first I forget something that I need to pin this one first. Then I have to select this the architecture link. Now I am here in Revit architectural link. I need to go here to edit type. Then I have to select to turn room bounding on. After that, I click OK. Now the room bounding is selected to this one. Now I can turn off the pin element. I can turn it off like this, so I can select this one. So this room bounding is important, so I can add spaces to my project, especially HVAC is very important. So now we are here in HVAC, mechanical, ceiling plan, mechanical. Now I want to touch this elevations. Now I need to go to those elevations. So now let me go here, south elevation, double click. Then I will open this south elevation. If I zoom like this, again, zoom in, you'll find here different levels like this. This is both levels. I can't select because this is selected element is turned off. If I turn it on like this, I can select this. This is the structural model, and here this is the architectural model, which means those levels is belong to architect and those levels belong to structure. So I don't want to see those structure. So let me first, I turned off this pinned element, and so I can select this one both. Only I can select those levels from here. So now I need to go to visibility graphics, or from here to go to edit, then from here Revit link, structural by host view. I open it, custom, then annotation. This one we need to make it custom. Then L to levels. I turn this one off. Then OK and OK. Now those structural levels should be turned off. Now I need to choose this one. then I need to drag it up to here. So this is my MEP levels. If you see, this is the lock. If this lock is turned on like this, it is locked, so I can move both together. If this lock is open, then I can move this one alone without to be connected with level 1. So let me make Control Z to make both are aligned. Control Z again. Now this is both level already aligned. Now I need to make align between this MEP level with architectural level. This is the finished floor level. So the command for alignment is AL, the shortcut. Now this now align command. Now I select level 2 from here. Then I select level 2 from here. Now both level are aligned. I click from here modify to get out from the command. Now I need to add levels to those other levels before we use the monitoring to monitor all those levels. So now I want to show you another procedure how to make a new levels. So first one, for example, I can select this level, then I can make right click, then I can go here to create similar, then I can go here modify place a level, and this both option line and pick line will be here. Another option or where I can find it, this is in architecture. I can go here to datum. This is the level. I press this again. We have place level and we have those options. Here, first option is line. Second one is pick line. I need to pick a line. So after I pick the line, you see here, make view plan. If this one turned off like this, no, make it turned on. Then click here to plan view types. Then I have to select it. Now the structural, I don't want it. So I unselect the structural and I will keep ceiling plan and floor plan to be added. So I click from here. Okay, now I can add levels. So look here, let's go to HVAC and see here the floor plans and ceiling plans how will be added. But ceiling plans will not be added because it will be added to another location. So let's choose see here the mechanical plan. So first we are here, we go to level 1, level 3. If I click here, level 3, you see level 3 is already added here. And here in mechanical, you see the ceiling plan here. This is already level 3 added here. So now both level 3 is already added. Now I go to level 4. Again, I have to go to this structural level. I have to make view plan. View plan is on. Structural correct. Now I have to pick line from here. Now I can pick line. I go to level 4. Now level 4 is already added here and there. Level 5 is already should be added both here. Then I go up to select. This is the roof. Now roof level 6 here. It is level 6 is already added. This is normal. Now I can go to here to modify. Then I have to select this level 3. Then I need to drag this level 3 until match with level 2 and level 1. So now I can turn this one on. I can select this one to turn it on. Now this one I will turn it on. Then the level 6 or roof, I need to turn it on, but I can rename this one. So let me zoom in. Now level 6, I don't want it to be level 6. Now this one, sometimes we click, there is some point here. You click it. So here I will select from here level 6. Now I can rename it to roof. Now I rename to roof. Then I press enter and see the notification from Revit. Now I press enter. He telling me, would you like to rename corresponding views? Yes, I want to rename it. He telling me that level 6 here will be renamed as roof and level 6 here will be renamed as roof. So from here I click yes. Now both are renamed as a roof. So for now our levels already added like this. So let us see now what I have also from other side. Those levels I can select. So let me this board turn it off from this side and this roof to turn it off from this side. Let me move more. This level 4 I can select it. So let me turn it off. Do this one or to make it off. So let me make my layout is tidy for me. So now this one is ready. Now let me go. I have a problem that now I finished the settings for the south mechanical. Let me go to north mechanical this time. Double click to open it. Now for the north, you see all this is my levels, and you see it also the structural and whatever is already obvious here. So I don't want to see the structural level again. So I have to do the same procedure again, visibility graphics and like this. No, I can go here. I can go here to south mechanical. Make sure I am in HVAC elevations. So I can go to south mechanical. Then I want to make this one as a template. So let me go here to view. Then here view template. I drop down menu. So I can apply template properties to current view or create a template from current view. Let me create this template from current view and let me rename it as we do it as elevation levels. Okay, so this is my new template. I pressed like this. Okay, now my new template is already created, elevation levels. Now I click from here. Okay, now this template already created. Now I need to select from here this mechanical, then control north and west. South already is done, and from here view template we create, place here apply as a template. Now I will select elevation levels, my template. Okay, now those should be applied to other templates. I can click from here modify. Now I am in south mechanical. So let me go and check the north. What happened for the north? If you check the north, now you see this only I have, this is the mechanical, and this is the mechanical, this is the mechanical. I can't see, and this one all mechanical. I can't see the structural levels here. So for example here, let me select this one as a roof. I will turn this one already from here turned off. So it is turned off, from here turned on. This one turned off already. Level 4 from here it is turned off, but this one other level 4 is belong to architect. Okay, so from here this one is turned on. I'll turn it off from here and turn it on. This is my MEP, and the same here I turn it on, and this one I turn it off. So now this is ready. Now if you want to go to east elevation, you can do the same. You see now the structural already disappeared because my view template procedure. So now from here you can click this one. You see this one is already here. Let me check those belong to structure. I can select them. Now this one I can select, I can turn on from here, and this one I can turn it off. For example, this one I can turn it off from here and turn it on from here. Now I can select any level from here. Then I can drag it, for example, a little bit more to extend them up to here. Now this one is ready, and other elevations I can do it the same. Now after I finish everything here, let me go here to mechanical plan. Here we have here now in floor plan mechanical. So you see there is many tabs already open. I want to close them. So another solution is go to view tabs, view here. You'll find here there is close inactive tabs from here. And here also you have the quick access toolbar, close inactive views. I can click like this. All inactive views will be automatically closed. Now this one I have to rename it. So let us rename this one, and level 1, and this one I will rename it to level 1, level 2. Now then here for the ceiling plan roof, I don't need it because there is no ceiling for roof. Let me delete this level. Then those I can select them all, control, I can select all of them. Then let's go to find the discipline. The discipline is mechanical, which is good. Let me see, this is the discipline mechanical. Let's go to sub-discipline and select as HVAC. From here, apply. then it should move automatically here to scenic plan. This one I can rename. I make it a level 1, and this one rename to level 1. This is level 2. Now everything is okay. Now I need to add tags to level 1 floor plan. I need to add tags here. So for tags, let me go here to manage. As we learn, we can go directly to to analyze, and from analyze we can add space tags from here. So let's go here to space from here to add some space, because now with tags I can add it. But now I will go to this button, place spaces automatically. Let me click this button. Now all tags, we have 37 spaces are created in this one, which means if I go out, for example, he consider this shaft as a space, this one as a space, and here other rooms here also considered as spaces. But let me first do rename naming. For now, this is a space name and number to match it with architecture. Now the space and number element have duplicated the number value. Warning, duplicated number value. I don't know why this warning happened. Maybe I click something. Now this one, maybe this is a space, maybe something like this. So there is something have been duplicated, and now it will be resolved, not a big matter. So now there's spaces already added, and if you notice, there are some spaces without name, and here some spaces with a name like office, but this both spaces without a name. So how can I adjust those spaces? I can go here to this space, for example. Now I can select, for example, this tag. Now this one, the tag, but from the tag, I can go here and press this button, select host. Now I select, this is the space of this shaft, now already selected. This is another procedure from the tag, how you can select the host. Now this one, the space, I can't go like this directly and delete it. I will show you later. So what is the solution is to make a schedule. So let's go here to view, and let's check where is the schedule. From here we have schedules. We click this one, then we select this, the first button, schedule and the quantities. Of course there is different types of schedule, so let me select this one, schedule and quantities. Let me select first what is the name of this schedule. The title of the schedule will be spaces. So I go to S letter, OPQRSTU. This is the spaces. So from here, of course, I have to select the first one, schedule building components. Also, there is a schedule keys, which is architectural engineer, more important for them. It is much more advanced. The phase for the new construction, later we will talk about the new and old construction. So now I will click from here, okay. Now the new schedule will be selected. Now I need to add spaces and rooms. First, let me select this room. Then I look to the room number and room name. So I will select this one, the room name, then control the room number. Let me add it to my schedule. Let me go again to this space, and let me check the name and number. Name and number. To the space. Look, this is one, the name, and then control. I will add number. Now this is my schedule, should be created. I can now press OK. Now my schedule will be created from here. And if I press Control and rolling the mouse wheel, then I can zoom in and zoom out for this schedule. If you notice here, there are some rooms no name like this, but there is here a space. So I need to sort it out, which one is with name and which other no name. So from here, you find here sorting and group it. Group, I will do from here edit, and let us sort, for example, by room number or name. Let's do by room number and see what will happen. Now this is by room number. All those with who's having names will be here, and all room without name or numbers will be here. So this one, I don't need all those spaces. Now let's go back again to level 1. From level 1, look, this is space number 28. Let me click this space, then I click here, select host. Now I am in this space, and let me make delete for this space. I will delete it. right click, and this will be delete. From here I will make delete. Now he will tell me this space was deleted from all model views, but still remain in this project, How I know this is still remain in this project? Now I can go from here, space number 33 to 28 is should be here. I go to this schedule, and if you notice, this is the space number 28. It is actually not deleted. So how I can delete, the proper way to delete those spaces is by only select the first square, then I can drag it down like this. So I go here to this tab, rows, then I can, from here I can delete those. So I can press delete. Now he will telling me I have 15 spaces should be deleted. I click OK. Now all unrequired spaces already deleted from here. Now you see this shaft is already no names here, no spaces. Those rooms here also all not available. So like this, from the schedule I deleted all unrequired spaces from those rooms. Now for me, let's go down and let us go to this ceiling plan. Let me open it. From the ceiling plan, I need also names for those ceiling plan. So I go here to annotation, and from annotation, from here tag all, I can click it. Then I go down and look for space tag. This is my space tag, and I click apply like this. Now all space tags should be added to my ceiling layout, and now I can save my project. So I go here to save, then I have to go to exercise file, chapter 5. I can do the name of my project is mechanical project, and then I can select here from option. I can make sure it is maximum backups is a 3, then okay, then I click from here save. Now my project is automatically saved.